newe Kisumu.
Boda boda soya kondele
Yere newe Kisumu.
Anadwaro kenda onge ng'amatera. Anadwaro kenda onge ng'amatera. Binidom yala binidom yoturwa binidom mama binidom. Ayaye tera nene Kisumu. Ayaye tera nene Kisumu. Dalagi mama, dalagi baba yo. Ujo malongo, unonero Kisumu. Pekaido tera Kisumu.
Yere newe Kisumu.
Moda soya kondele.
Yere newe Kisumu.
Pekaido tera Kisumu.
Twende twende Kisumu.
Anadwaro kenda onge ng'amatera. Anadwaro kenda onge ng'amatera. Binidom 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 binidom
Bilidom,
binidom
bilidom,
binidom
bilidom.
binidom. Ayaye tera nene Kisumu. Ayaye tera nyamba Kisumu. Dalagi mama, dalagi mama yo. Juluo ujo malongo, unogero Kisumu. Pekaido tera Kisumu. Boda boda soya kondele. Anadwaro kenda onge ng'amatera. Anadwaro kenda
Eta!
onge ng'amatera. Binidom 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 jodala binidom binidom jodurwa binidom binidom binidom.
Sikilia! Hey! Hey! Mera?
Yes sir.
Hey! Kumbe ulikuwa unatufichia game hapa, unakataa tukue na mziki tamu hivi.
Hiyo ni ya kwetu Usago yenyewe.
Eh?
Official Kisumu 100.
Nitaiba hiyo twete twinde nimeru. Eh?
Photocopy ya Kisumu.
Bas.
Aberuka.
Twete naria meru.
Yes.
Tukalemera.
Aha.
Tukundwe usuru. Kala kamwere. Twende twinde Kisumu. Meru. Ayaye, twende twinde nimeru. Ayaye, twende twinde. Narabero, kwena mera.
Mera bige.
Narabero, kwena usuru.
Bona osoro.
Narabero, atoba dombi. Hey, Narabero, washana naye. Nafikiria mpaka nimeuma na kichwa. Oh yes, welcome back again. The Shito Show is here. Remember, we celebrate, we inspire, we explore, and we unite with culture. I am still on the case ya Kananu Wamarete. Karibu sana mabangone.
Asante sana.
Hii itwali na karogono gatathira na mbere tutake karogono mkurikanie Echoes of Military Souls yuku Ramarete they're on sale na kanyeri kainagwa imwene na kajuga kagitunia ikonenkanirya itonenkanire kajuga getuma Kimiru itukurie anto betu bamiru wara kunde bare na ngugire chonde bakurita ire china njira na ire china pumithio ipromoto kabisa. The Shito Show, we explore, we celebrate, we unite and we nimesahau yengine kizungu imeisha. YouTube ne subscribe kedra we kre YouTube na kedra we kre Facebook ya Kamononto Itomwari inya gato ibuinde. You should come with a warning label.
I am funny on your head.
Okay, sawa basi. So, tuko hapa tena. The same people. These are Shetu show. Smiles pale, Jose, Weta. Nimesahau, unajua nimeona unakaa Afrika? Ngoja. Naleta renye nijitunga na ndi ukitwaja story. You uta-publish yuku mwankali kono nto last time watuirire weta Amazon. Wako weta Amazon wana publisher, a Kenyan publisher.
Yeah, Kenyan publisher.
Ako gaya.
Yeah, but I talked to him, the meet.
Kaka bunga wata nandi. Tutume tangash nandi.
So tukanga.
Aba tekweja na kambuishi kana magnet. Ukata kwa kwa kainga mpoka re ningi kwa wacha tani. Tuiku. Au naangalia mtu amedhaga? Natibu magonjwa kama kukula pia?
Na kusahau na wasiwasi.
Na kusahau lines za poetry.
Na kusahau lines za poetry. Kulipa rent
na wasiwasi.
Kufanya landlord asahau kuitisha rent.
Tafadhali nitibu hapo kwa kulipa rent. Naomba mtibu hapo.
Mr. Sembo yuko kwa kamera. Ai, asante Mungu kwa watu linisaidia nikaage nao kwa hiyo ofisi. Usisikize hawa. Don't listen to them. Listen to me, I'm the same one. Never drinks or smokes. No known mental problem.
No alcoholic and non-alcoholic drink.
Yes.
So I talked to Mystery Publishers.
Mystery Publishers.
Yeah, by Nakuru. But they have their center in Nairobi. I talked to the director.
Yes.
Amira, he would not mind helping a young writer. He believed in me.
Nice.
Though there was a lot to be done. Budget and design, everything. So we changed the cover. I think the new cover.
No, never. Don't be a kanyamara. Come. And then you could.
And then we changed the cover. Then putting a few things inside. Then I got the first person, Kura Meru, Okuma, Kentucky, USA.
Hainawe? On Amazon?
On Amazon, yes.
Deka?
Yeah. Wangameru neandika.
Wow.
I was very happy. From there, the book has been selling.
On Amazon?
Now, yeah, Amazon. I have a point at Crossroad, Nairobi. There is a bookshop, Crossroad.
Area, Crossroad.
Crossroad, I think I give also the number.
Watu wenye na Crossroad ile tu.
Crossroad okulokati room.
Amira tata kuna hata tea room. Nasikia bookshop yenye kuna kitabu iko hapo tu tea room.
Acha.
Ama akipera direction lazima anze na tea room.
Tea room base.
Yeah, loyal. Yeah, no kuna coast bus.
Coast bus,
Nande kwenda line in the bookshops. I can give you the book, the number.
It's called what again, the bookshop?
Your Shame Sellers. I think I can. The number is easier, not then somehow. I give the
Wait,
number.
Kanywa?
Number.
Na ndina nyeku urokwenda kora yuku.
Urakwenda kora
Faith. Echoes of Military Souls na kwenda yuku ringirije iteria were ya African poetry.
Yeah, oral poetry.
Oral poetry.
Say Meru. Ina Meru background. Marieta ande ya Meru. na ina marito ya maingi mno ya Meru ya kethira ingi ata translate kenda bao methaitu
aria kama igo nyamo ke
ama
Meru
ndikeri tare urakwenda kura in Nairobi waringire phase
Phase.
phase 07
07
06
06
63
63
86
86
03
03
Nchokeria rĩngĩ.
chokeran
Nchokeria.
oh chokeria
Nchokeria.
kwete kwero nditanetia na ngwitane payment
Ndĩ tũigua. 07
07
06
06
63
63
86
86
03.
03
Yeah, utinona fedha atukuretera i Nairobi nyenda delivery.
oh deliveries
Yeah,
eh?
enda delivery is Nairobi.
The echoes of military souls.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Tukurayana TV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nandi twero kono nandi nonto ogweta bagwitekeria gusto I mean bo edit nyamora bo edit the copies.
The copies vanengera agreement that sign. So they were really professional that sign agreement.
Yes.
Mbia ndari kurea tabare ati evaluation of the manuscript.
Yes.
They evaluate. So in that process uba edit baimbeta pura every step. Baimbera no kwenda bi you know in the editing ukreka mtu editing wa kuwa tu kwindu kuita story.
The storyline, yes.
Yeah, mbera mtu endeke there bili na kwa morio kia you see. So we work together baimbeta baimbeta edit. Bandigira most stages again. Stages we took for like 3 months.
3 months.
3 months, and my book was out. Those time it launched on Tutumaneria Corona.
So when your book was out and Corona was out too?
The same time.
Pole.
Same month. Yeah, but it's a blessing in these days. Not to within that time, I was able to market online.
Ah, yes.
People are really bought their offer. Kananu Jerusha, Facebook, Facebook Echoes of Military Source page, you find so many reviews. Then it was reviewed in Star newspaper.
Nice.
Yeah, it was reviewed in Star.
How did you feel? After the sleepless nights, after the doubts, after the procrastinations, after you beyond the... What you got to do?
Like I think it was second to 100 it's like a new birth, it's like a baby, you know, not really like mwanawe.
Yeah.
Lakini there is that joy.
Yes.
Feeling you kuona, you know, like kwanza nenda rewatch leo.
Yes.
On Amazon I did not get copy.
It's a Kindle book.
Inyakuona kura all the way it was expensive for me. And then but this time when I came to Kenya and the Mystery Publishers, they made, when I got this copy, I was so happy.
Wow.
And then soldiers. I was very happy. When my sister read Billy the first time and she cried, I was like, yes.
You're happy your sister cried?
Yes, no, to now. Yes.
Okay.
And I was like, no. She started asking me whether it was true. I knew Billy. So I knew this was good poetry. Someone can read and start wondering if I was at war.
So that means
it's good.
They got behind your eyeballs and they...
Yeah, I got a lot of support from people from home, outside. There's someone who has, many people are promoted in Murunge from home.
Bakevia?
Kiambi.
Kuteria. Very asante.
Asante, no kwanza ntu bamiru bankadoto ta Bankans Precious bamurunge
Kams Precious imuje.
Kiambi Alex.
Kiambi Alex nyewe mwije.
Aleki Kiambi Alex na Jugen.
Jugen nyewe mwije. Jugen nani ngokeria karibu salimika sana.
Andekire a very hot na kina Murunge very steaming. Wira kwanza yukuri ogire thoma urenda kuthoma kama
utamwa njugu nikukula moja moja nakumbuka nikisoma hivyo.
Yes, they were really, I think in support.
Na Mwenda James, I actually saw my wife Nora, she bumped up into the night you are doing the presentation.
Yes, I was reading we had a webinar based in Israel.
Yes.
Kenya, I was representing Africa among the 3 people representing
Aleka. So I'm with a very important person and I want to take care of your suit. Yeah,
yes, I've represented Africa twice.
Wow. We'll take a break. So when you come back, what's your way forward now that you've done the first project today? na uko it was not easy, but now ndio kumenya the system.
Yes.
Okay, assuming uko kumenya, but you keep on learning anyway. What's in it for us? Inyaja, if you have a few for the Ameru,
This is
or
what
one
is-
that Kamanu can convert
what
it
is
to a song.
coming is hot.
No?
When Africa, tumeona Ethiopia,
Got Ethiopian dress.
Ethiopia, Masai,
Wow.
Meru,
Any aqua?
kangu kawikatiani.
No?
Okay. Yes, there is a lot.
So then I'm representing Africa in this talk.
Africa, yes.
Oh, we represent Africa too?
Nyawa.
Okay.
Oh, no, me Africa, we great Nyawa.
Joe, you good? Tukatembea wapi? Ni nyimbo gani hujasikia siku mingi? Ati wewe
Gatheri.
ndio ya ho.
That song.
Eh? Hapana, tunaiba atujimba Kimeru leo.
Kamano,
Eh?
can we do Gatheri?
Unaweza kuongeza Githeri? Unaita Githeri?
Hiyo
Githeri?
umesema huko
Sawa.
hiyo zinaitwa
Hiyo ni ndaya. Okay. Good. Ndetete kugambia Bwagaderi, ndetete kugambia Bwagaderi, erakinya weregene, erakinya weregene. Ndetete kugambia Bwagaderi, kugambia Bwagaderi, erakinya weregene, erakinya weregene. Ndakinya weregene ndarankoro, ndakinya weregene ndarankoro, ewedere wakimeru, ewedere wakimeru. Ndakinya weregene ndarankoro, ndakinya weregene ndarankoro, ewedere wakimeru, ewedere wakimeru. Amore qui guardare ancora ingora, amore qui guardare ancora ingora, namorango, sueño bene, namorango, sueño bene. Amore qui guardare ancora ingora, amore qui guardare ancora ingora, namorango, sueño bene, namorango, sueño bene. Kama non tavo qui renda guruka, kama non tavo qui renda guruka, era dera, era igeri, era dera, era igeri. Tavo qui renda guruka, kama non tavo qui renda guruka, era dera, era igeri, era dera, era igeri. Nakara nini ndaigwa ndenge, nakara nini ndaigwa ndenge, arambira niweka mano toka kwenu ukagambie. Nakara nini ndaigwa ndenge, nakara nini ndaigwa ndenge, arambira niweka mano toka kwenu ukagambie. Waito kadari gate mwani, aya kadari gate mwani, Noria nkora kwenda kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda kaderi gatemwani Aya kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda Noria nkora kwenda Aito kaderi gatemwani Ancha kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda Noria nkora kwenda Joe Barissimo Hey Washa Kaderi gatemwani Noria nkora kwenda Uko tahu?
Yeah, so
We are back.
Mbere kabisa atokele kutoka ile antoka. Mama ukona mwani kana azomete yukure.
Very good.
My mother has read the book. Azomere mbere huwa atiloma hapo mbate kwa ambeleria.
Achedere.
Nyana anyuma. Ambeleria kinyamule so anyone can read. Poetry challenge just kwa ngiba wa batendete poetry but poetry ko indifferent it's a story ora baikiro tukona tutire dili tutukana tawakara.
Anata kwa kadere?
Ukazoma yukwende na.
Sasa.
Ono zomete ndu abaye. Yeah, so I want to and to go ingo zomete. Kimali meriti.
Kimadi meriti. Mwije?
Mwa orire yukwera ambere Kentucky.
Oh, Kentucky.
Yes.
Aha. Wow. Thank you so much Kimadi meriti. Wena diaspora.
Yake okay.
Wow, Mwerengo kedaka. Imbijana kuona kipindi kiki na Kimadi kedaka kedo. Kimadi riko? Alito kwenda Kimadi nyonge wena ugure. Aja Amerika aja kambiri tina pi. Tepa ngani? Hapa Amerika kuna nzaka na pi kunaitwa aje?
Pennsylvania.
Sasa kwa hapo kweli. Kuna wapi kwingine?
Ati anaanza na P Amerika.
Huko Amerika.
Kunaanza na P.
Sio pangani.
Ngoja.
Hairaka. Karibu nikumbuke sasa nimesahau. Kimadi kwanu ina Kimadi Paul Kimadi muite. Nkamuria. Nyakure yuko Amazon utonyaga Amazon. Litakare yako hapa kunaanza na ambiri na najari. Ajari. Nao ntirikana. Ale John aja nya Amerika nya ukore yuku tereu. Chore bako bada aja nyumora aja Nottingham. Nottingham aja London aja. Neu. Very good. Meru progress mogure na page yere kwa wetara kire page ya Kamano kire group ya Kamano itoka miturire ya Meru weta ure kenya baba kagura. Very good. You are an inspiration to many. Kubaingi bakwenda kwambiria manto jaja art na bareka rama gicoka nyamboga baitho gani mbecha bakunidi mbere imbecha wambire ucoka na idea ejire mbere which one came first?
Better not to bad. What came is the idea, and the idea came first, and the desire. Ukorenda ko give up. I think the secret to me is I don't give up.
Waromo tiromoka.
Nyombera kutombeka ai.
Junior to nyomo kake boka gwitha kamera kwa mechi agui. Come here, come. Yo. Okay. Ifrendre, yo nawe. Hairi. Kai koromana na inya. Kaka tije kiuthi. Kaka. Neu abu kona Echoes of Military Souls na ndipo kagwita kameme. Hi. Natakoerea.
Watu angaratani.
Chia dangalania. Okay, so kwa sababu wengi barageta kwambiria bakiuga beterete kuona mbecha cha kugeta manuscript kana cha kubind manuscript kana cha kugeta kwa na publisher. So kera kwenda kana mbere
pay the money, what we require first is that burning desire.
Yeah, the burning desire, put it down. Then when we put down, try your best, go meet the publisher. Well, when then don't give up, to achieve no more sacrifice.
Now whether we're ready for rejection,
Yes.
back reject you come to the
Yes, and you will also need to over sacrifice of course a lot. Because I had to sacrifice to get this book on, and once you get it, the next books I'm doing, I have so many people looking out. I have Global Editorial Center Kenya looking for me to work with me on the new book.
Nice.
And so many people looking for me. Now, after the first publishing was struggle, I know my book is out now. You can go to them. I have a book.
Nice.
They don't now from there. The next book, they will not struggle.
You won't struggle because you'll not be a stranger.
Many people don't know about self-publishing. No, so far, I have 2 people from my place who are waiting for their manuscript being worked on.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kuna ninyo gutemera banginjira.
I've directed them to mystery publishers and they are working with them very well.
Ndi kugeta okunyunya ruji na to ina ruji kanyu. Unakuna kunywa maji? Na ndiri what's in it? Kuyu ko tone kena Kimeru kyangwa poems cha Kimeru kana
Are itite Kimeru tifola ndera to taoro poetry.
Ora poetry kugate.
Poetry the idiom to kona ikwenda irona singles na una itwe ta metaphor.
Idioms zikuanguka chini pu.
Yule tumira cha Kimeru, marieto ya Kimeru, nya marieto yanto. Tuwe rieto
Kanyele Kadoni.
Ande kadao are apia ki poema wewe mudao. The meaning of the word.
Oh, tu.
Kuna mbiti. Kuna orieto ya Kimeru, kuna gramira, kuna kimazi.
Ndoru.
Kwa depending na character tu. Ora ona andike doka andika kadha. Strong woman. So in the poem, and they are poem ingin kwenda kusomera. Lakini akabusomera mwake. Then there is another one. I celebrate Africa. I've told you I've represented Africa.
Tenemos que nada botona tu.
I've represented Africa, so I have Yadomero in Africa and Israel. It was a keynote of events Africa and Israel. It was 1,000 Africa poets contributed. My poem was chosen.
Wow.
As the keynote. That meant a lot.
It means a lot.
Yeah,
Yes, it's
Detail. Dr. Detail from Israel. Yeah, they chose my poem.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so I think somebody na Kimeru.
Ito mera Kimeru?
Na Kimeru ni oro poet.
Yes.
It is why we live by noon.
All right.
Kesa by Darita. In the next sana ako katikira no malito ya mingi ya kitiani. Ako ito kwa?
Canberra.
Now I read. I will live by noon. My husband, I have heard you. Yes, I will leave your homestead by noon. Mother-in-law, stop protecting my compound like you are a dog chasing its tail. Wives of my husband said me. Don't whisper. Yes, it is true. My newborn asked Remy's for it. Kadata, my husband, didn't I fall in your arms a virgin? Wasn't your hole the first in my garden? And weeding we tried with no result. My belly remained flat, and my in-laws became alive. My father-in-law lamented of the loss of the dowry. Every sunrise, I wasted my lachi, my moari, moate, and parika got lost. What is there to show for my enthronement then? Why did I let bees sting me to fetch Naito? And the whole bunch of miracle rati. Kadata, my father could not attend Baraza. He had sired and that. My mother stopped going to Ikundi. Mother-in-law did not give her peace. And me, I walked like a witch. Wives of my husband said to me, hadn't you gossiped enough as you fetched water from the village well? As Kalata, my husband, poured maidens into my bedroom. I burnt with yearning as their moans rose to crescendo. Later Kalata would sing a litany. Oh, the pregnant women in the village. Do you think I slept at all after that scorn? Wives of my husband did me. Show me a land where children grow. Kalata's maiden stomach did not bulge. And he neglected his garden, which needed cultivating. When Kiremi visited, he weeded carefully. His strong, tender hands carried the soil lovingly. And then he dug breathlessly, deeply day after day. He sowed seeds, which were watered well. And then I drew up at the sight of food. When I could not eat boshi, I knew I was pregnant. I smiled. Kalata, I will leave by noon. Like Kantane, I will march out of this homestead and walk to my home.
A round of applause, a round of applause, a round of applause. I can see that image.
Watu wa kamera waja club.
Cameraman, please, hebu fanyeni Come on.
They don't know.
Do you know, I was seeing that shamba huko nyumbani. Whoever was reading, whoever was not reading, I could see their faces. Awesome. That is 1 in a million.
Yes, the book that is coming has got more of that. That is mostly from Beru. The story, of course, is deeper.
No, this is the one I'm going to read on my own.
Yeah,
this
there are so many
awesome.
women
I like
who are
it.
there. You know, it's a cultural, the nature culture, like women. So the reason Kiremi, you know, Kiremi now also the meaning.
Kiremi is someone.
Just explain.
You know, he's the one who had a problem. So it's a deep oral literature. There's a lot.
Okay, now that takes.
The title of the book and not by Branera. It was marry me a second, marry me a wife and other point. You could read it.
Wacha nifanya kama watu wa Nigeria kufanya ewo.
Image marry me a wife and other points. I'm telling you that's fire. Abu.
But now you see, on the same note, actually, itaman to kwenda toa rangi mbere kome ampenga jauju.
10 minutes.
We mokai. Aigo nande. Now everybody is to everybody. I don't know if it's me. Ending kwana Africans ibago chokera ibakondo choka nyuma na nderu.
Yes.
I read a comment somewhere. The best step forward is to go back to our roots.
Back to our roots, perfect. Yeah.
Na tukitegera kire African societies kana Ameru. I'm also doing a research on the family setup ya Ameru. Now some of the things which came up very strongly, yate Ameru batara kaga mtu kana mukuru eta au akwa atena mwana.
Yeah.
Arengere mwa kuwewa mwana ikware na mechanisms.
But make you arrangement.
Wambuga ikware na mechanisms. Ikware na ije ntora itangwa ate uju ya
Omera ukawinyi kimoro bwana.
Uju America nje temboxi. Auga ena entanglement.
Entanglement. Huyo. Hiyo sawa.
Ko unande kuna mambo ya entangula
intertwine.
Kulikuwa na entanglement ndio mtu asikufe bila mtoto kwa Kiafrika. Okay, now I'll in all those your poetry.
Yeah.
I hope my English is wrong. Nukola jaka Afrika kwa mbele kwa na awakening antu ibakwenda kwa embrace wa Afrika wao.
Yeah.
Kwa nontuko ino to akinya. Tora moko na answers kire mantuja toreteri inyomora. Muchonko we cannot find the answers that, or rather I'll say my part, I cannot find the answers I'm looking for in some of the things that we call civilization.
That was the my push not to Ukraine, but do you criticize. I think Ukraine there is a point that criticizing. Inyam to I come no to mono. What come acquire their mother tongue, you know. Whatever quote mono. What you take a beer, and that's not an achievement. That's an embarrassment. To attack a culture, our culture is strong. You know, another time. And there was no record, anything. I saw it. So those are the things that are motivating most of us to go back to our roots, and I'm so passionate about it myself.
Keep singing.
That's my book. That's what's in the book. It's addressing so many things. There's a poem in here, Baba Yaba Kabakarea with a muche, a call back to go with or in you know, our culture, our roots. Still, you know, this you cannot compare rich culture. Our culture is very rich, so we are calling for back to our roots. Because that's where all the richness is, morality and all that.
And it is complete.
It's complete.
I would want to comment. You know, what I've heard, what I've seen is basically an image of what is happening, what is supposed to have happened, or what is going on in that village right now, right?
Yeah.
And exactly bringing it into paper for somebody to read and visualize it is just way important, because at the end of it all, you're bringing it in the current setup, but you're painting the picture of exactly what is going on.
And also putting it in paper, like that's what you read in Pianetumar. But I come out to a gamma, I can celebrate Africa because that's the first what got me out of Kenya. Na inaonda etire kuandwa me.
Na nyota bera achievements chaku kwa mbele kwa ndeka hivi.
Atundi kansira we are.
Ambato ile achievements in Africa. Africa nyano nkugere on my wall kairi. Point chaku kwa ndakuikuju.
I really want to say you're Africa but then I think it's the one I want.
Go ahead. Achievements.
Achievements. One has been published in African poetry anthology with all the African Bakazoma Maufude. All those great poets was published this year.
Fantastic.
Then Libero America, my poems were published and just translated into Spanish.
No way.
Yes, my poems are there. I represented Kenya in 100,000 poets for Africa and Asia, representing all of them. Israel, Asia was among the 3 Kenyans.
Fantastic.
Within that short time, I've also been published in Zimbabwe anthology.
Wow.
Best new African poet in 2019 last year.
What are that?
Among that.
Wow.
Then I'm graduating on that this month as a global editorial called Kenya.
Kutakuwa na mbashi?
Yes,
Graduation?
kutakuwa na mbashi.
Tusikose.
Tenda mbashi.
Mbashi lazima tukuweko. Kabisa.
And the same day is my birthday.
Hey man.
Awesome.
Tuko na mbashi mara ngapi?
Tuko na mbashi 2.
Eish.
Keki ni ngapi? Utapika keki ngapi?
2.
Twice.
Very good.
Together.
Tutakuja na njaa ya kutoka jana.
Yeah. This is tutaleta njaa.
So I'm graduating. Global Editorial Course Center is where I've learned to edit my books.
Nice.
Right now I'm not, you know, to edit you don't just need an editor. I've learned that and I'm graduating that.
Yes.
So I'm hoping to win an award very soon, a worldwide award.
You deserve it.
And this poem now what I say me very fast. It's my call for Africa.
Joe, as she does the poem, you can do like a spoken word. You can do the instrumentals you did for Susanna.
Yeah.
Yeah, the piano thing. You just give us some background. Yeah? Kaisao. And then as before you, as you say the poem, you're mentoring some young coming writers?
Yes.
You are?
I am. I am someone who is about to publish a book under my mentorship. A book will be out in a week's time or so. I also I've mentored many girls from Kibrishangas. Kibrishangas, I have quite a number of girls right now. Then I about Kibrishangas who went to do English literature because I taught them.
Nice.
Swinton Kala.
Swinton Kala is our...
Aya.
Swinton Kala is our
lead vocalist.
The first person to write my own poem.
Oh, really?
Swinto. Orang namsalimia ni kama kwa pande. Swinto ni.
Amesalimika.
Hapo ni kasichana ketu hapa.
Yes, I taught her stage. I taught her, she performed my first play.
Deka.
Wow.
And
Wow.
I directed her.
Fantastic.
And you can see I talked about
You did a good
her
job.
talent and now
You did a good job.
You did.
She is very strong.
Swinton is just.
Akisimama hapa hata kamera
she
zinakimbiaga.
has my book and she
Swinton
will
hata
write
atoshe
the
yuku
content.
Kenya.
Swinton kaa Kenya, yaka
What?
wapi?
Katinga ndata huku.
Adanira huku,
Deka?
she's a mwah.
She's a bomb.
Yeah, she is.
Waiting to explode.
Started Okuma Kibreshi and girls to work together.
Fantastic.
And I think she's my daughter now.
We should also
Yeah.
learn from you.
You should.
Now, take it away as we give you the background.
Yeah.
And where are we? As we wind down.
Yeah.
And remember, we do this every Sunday. Sunday chote tudara ukamakai tija ina ibenso webeso unafanya tunaongea Kizungu kwa Kiswahili ya Kimeru.
It's okay. Yote changanya ndani iko mix them gather them.
Okay. Sawa basi.
You are a Berukan.
Thank you so much for staying tuned. Na ugeta tukulomere akapoem gaka karetu ate.
Karetwa Salamu Motherland Africa.
Accompanied by instrumental of Susanna. Susanna is gone international.
Start.
Can you start?
Salam Motherland Africa. Last night I dreamed of farm straits Africa. Last night I dreamed of borderless Africa. Last night I dreamed of brothers and sisters living in harmony. I dreamed of driving Vitenge industries in Africa. Salam, salam my motherland Africa. Salam. Last night in Kenya I saw spears and arrows stand in farming holes. Last night, cotton, coffee, and tea industries streamed. I saw David smile with sparkling white teeth in Sudan. I saw brothers in Nigeria disarming and disowning Boko Haram. I saw street Somalis on the run, building Al-Shabaab ruins. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam. Last night, African Unison echoed social stability. Last night, African Unison echoed social cohesion. Last night, South Africa was umbrella for all blacks in the rain. Ethiopian black moon attacked Mundesa raising a white dove. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam. Last night, black trader bought jewelry from Djibouti. Last night, black trader bought oils and perfume from Tunisia. Last night, black traders sold exquisite African fabric from Dakar. Last night, black traders sold beautiful baskets from Zimbabwe. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam. Last night, African leaders East Africa, we loaned the West. Last night, we imported and exported within. Last night, African industries revived African sweat streams. Last night, corruption was done. We sang freedom songs. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam. Last night, we alone reminded us of that. Instances of slavery in Sudan and Libya. He paved path for Pan-Africanism and asked pertinent questions. Last night, we asked why African companies are manufactured outside Africa. Last night, I saw one Africa, one essence, loving our language and culture. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam. Today, Rise Africa, from the great W.E. Du Bois Touch Rise, Marcus Garvey, Kwame Nkrumah, George Padmore Touch Rise, Haile Selassie, Mwalimu Nyerere, Kenneth Kaunda Touch Rise, Aimee Suzea, Lokon Sendasenga, Nelson Mandela Touch Rise, Bob Marley, Miriam Makeba Melodies, Echo, Africa Unite. Salam, salam, my motherland Africa. Salam.
Wow.
Susana kwa moroya Tina Kevo, Tina Makukwe, Zuzana Tina Kevo.
Hey, well done, well done. Hey, that poem is what I had.
Salam.
Yes, that is what I had on Facebook.
Yes.
It's so sad. Muda umetupa kisogo.
Yes.
Iliwa ritetera mugambi na mbitisha kurajare itetoaga mindindi. Ibuaga muno atotigere au tugacwa kanya kangi wije. Uto inspire okaire.
Sana.
Uto